hold on. Got it.
Thank you, Alan.
Okay. Kids have a remarkable ability to be resilient, but they need adults who can guide them when they're faced with challenges.
Hey, Alan. Okay, Elmo's ready to blast on a pogo stick for the very first time. Oh, watch, Alan.
Oh, I'm watching.
Okay, Elmo's gonna put his foot there.
Okay.
And then the foot there.
Mhm.
Whoa.
Whoa, oh, hey, Elmo. Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, Elmo's okay.
Okay.
But boy, this is hard.
At first, but you're still learning. Look, you haven't gotten the hang of it yet, but you will.
Oh, well, does Alan really think so?
Sure, just keep trying.
Okay.
Okay.
Elmo will try again, Alan.
All right, how about this time I hold the pogo stick while you get on, just until you're comfortable.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Okay.
Okay, Elmo will put one foot on this side.
Yeah.
And then another foot.
Good. All right, no, whoa, I know. Find your balance.
Okay.
I got you. Find your balance.
This is tricky.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, and now we're gonna bounce. You ready?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
You're doing it.
Almost getting it. Oh, Alan, you can let go now.
Wait, you sure you got this?
Yeah, almost got this.
Okay.
Almost got this. Elmo doesn't got this.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Elmo will keep trying.
All right, that's the spirit. We can teach kids that life is full of ups and downs. But when they fall,
Thank you.
yeah, they can learn to bounce back.